Hi Parker Panthers, this is Mrs. Warren again. We are going to have a pretty short mini lesson because it has been raining and it is getting late and the mosquitoes are not my friends even though they don't bite me. They're all over me and I don't like bugs all over me. So I'm going to do this pretty quickly. We are having a lesson on similes and metaphors. So you're thinking, what the heck are similes and metaphors? Those sound like really strange words. So they're actually not too difficult. They're pretty simple to understand. So let's go ahead and look at our definitions. Simile, a comparison of two different things using the words like or as. Okay, and then we have two examples. Her skin was soft like butter. Okay, I see the word like. It's comparing skin and butter, okay, which are two different things. So that must be a simile. Let me look at the next one because it said like or as. I bet the next one is going to have the word as in it. So let's take a look at that next sentence. His attitude was tough as nails. Okay, ooh, nails are pretty tough. So this sentence means that he has a tough attitude. We're comparing two different things. What are the two different things? That's right. Nails and attitude. Okay, definitely two different things. And do we have the word like or as? Yes, as I predicted, we have the word as. So this is a simile because skin and butter are being compared with the word like. And this is a simile because attitude and nails are being compared with the word as. Okay? So anytime you have a comparison and it's using the words like or as, it is a simile. Let's look at the next one. Metaphor. Okay. Let's take a look at the definition for metaphor. A comparison that does not use the words like or as. Okay, well, if it doesn't use the word like or as, I wonder how it works. So let's look at our first example. Emily's room was a disaster of astronomical proportions. Woo! Okay, that means her room is really a disaster. And it is. I know Emily, believe me, her room's a disaster. Okay, so what two things are being compared? A room and a disaster. Are they using the words like or as? Let me see. Was, of. Nope, they did not use the words like or as. So this must be a metaphor because two things are being compared, a room and a disaster. And we do not have the word like or as in this sentence. Okay? So let's look at the next one. Robert was a wrecking ball when he helped take down the old fence. Okay, let's see. What are they comparing? They're comparing Robert to a wrecking ball. Y'all know what a wrecking ball is? It's a big heavy ball and they use it to smash down buildings and things. So they're comparing Robert to a wrecking ball when he helped take down the fence. Okay, well, let me see if I see like or as, because if it's like or as, then it's going to be a simile. Let's see, was when he helped take, nope, no like or as. So again, this is a comparison. It's comparing two different things, Robert and a wrecking ball. There is no like, there is no as. So indeed, this must also be a metaphor. So today in your lessons, you are going to see a brain pop movie on similes and metaphors, and you are going to have an activity where you have to identify 10 different sentences as either similes or metaphors. Remember, if it's a simile, then you're going to see the word like or the word as. Has to be there. If you don't see the word like or the word as, well, then it's going to default to a metaphor. Okay? They're both comparisons, right? I'm as tired as, I don't know, what's something tired? I don't know. I think I know I'm the most tired thing I know, so I'm not sure what, but I'll have to think on that. But if I say I'm as tired as, I'm as tired as my daughter's fat lazy cat, because that thing is always tired. So since I use the word as, that would be a simile. Or I could say I'm a I'm a firecracker when I get home and the house is a mess. I bet some of your parents are firecrackers too. There I said I'm a firecracker. I didn't say I'm like a firecracker. I didn't say I explode as a firecracker does. So because I did not use like or as, I'm a firecracker when the house is a mess. That would be a metaphor because I did not use the words like or as. All right, students, remember those rules and you will have an easy time identifying each sentence in your activity as either a simile, if it has like or as, or as a metaphor if it doesn't. And before it gets any darker or my camera shuts off, I'm going to say bye for now, Parker Panthers. See you next time.